This is a quick tour of the Symbaloo main page and menus once you get logged in. Starting up here in the upper right hand corner, this little drop down menu right here will take you to where you can edit your profile or choose your preferences. I'll just show you a quick view. Profile means that other Symbaloo users can follow you. So if you're going to build a lot of Symbaloos, you develop some followers that really like the way that you organize things and maybe make use of your web mixes. Preferences would be accessing things about your account or changing your password or notifications if somebody follows you. Again, dealing with your profile. Preferences include choosing whether the center box always opens to one of these search engines and what other options you want to select here as your settings. Social login information, connected apps, those kinds of things are listed under the preferences. Also, language setting and the ability to sign out. You have some messages initially when you open up your account where it walks you through how to do a quick start of a web mix or set Symbaloo as your home page. So you'll probably get those opening welcome messages. This would be where you search for tiles, like say you're building a web mix like this and you want to know, is there a tile for Twitter? And you search tiles and you find that there's already an existing Twitter tile that you can use. Or you can search by web mix. Is there a web mix, we'll change this, about soccer? And you can find that yes, somebody has created some web mixes about soccer. So maybe you want to check those out. So this is a search thing right here, or a profile if you know somebody else who's a Symbaloo user. This would be where you share your created web mix. You'd give it, oops, sorry, get back. This would be where you give it a name and a description, any tags you want associated, and then you can share. When you share, you'll get the ability to then have the link where you can send it to somebody by email, or you can get the embedded code for your web mix so that you can embed it on your teacher website, just for example. So that's all under the share. You can remove right there. These options include renaming the web mix. So for right now, this is called home. This web mix we're looking at is home. So maybe I want to just show you how the name changes. Main, save. So now I've changed it to be main. Come back under options. You can change the wallpaper behind your web mix, upload your own image, change the web mix icons right here, change the size, and you can see a little like arrows pop up to go increase or decrease right there with web mix size. Make your web mix see-through. You can see the changes happening when that's on or off. Add a new marker. So those are under options near the top. You'll get some default web mixes given to you in your account, and you can just delete these with the X if you don't want to save any of them. You can click and get rid of them. Resources. US News organizes like this by headlines. That's kind of interesting. Features. So any that you don't want, you can get rid of. Of course, when you're ready to add more of your own, here's the add button, and you'd get started with naming it and add it and then proceed to build it. So that's that. This is your home tab, obviously take you back to whatever is listed right here as your home tab. This menu over here shows you your web mixes in a row right here, and you can also add right here or visit the gallery right here and search for any public web mixes that you might want to view and use or link to on your own. So that's just a quick overview of kind of navigating this main opening page once you sign into your account.